Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we learned how to wisdomify any topic to learn fast and efficiently by summarizing and creating structured learning plans. Today, we'll explore how to make better decisions using AI. Decisions are the most challenging part of life because of the uncertainty of the future. Security means knowing what will happen and ensuring it is positive. All decisions are made with too little information, but having some guidance and reflection can be incredibly helpful. Remember that AI is an advisor, not the answer. Using it empowers you to strengthen your decision-making skills, learn from your dilemmas, and face them powerfully. Let's dive into some prompts that will help us make better decisions. First, I'm choosing between two job offers. One offers more stability, while the other offers more growth opportunities. Can you predict how both will play out? Next, I'm deciding between traveling to Argentina or Cambodia. Provide research to help me make a decision. I'm a 38-year-old male, single, EU citizen. Then, I'm going to visit Cambodia for a vacation. Make an argument against this. Remember, decisions are always made without complete information. The paradox of choice in decision-making is that while we don't like making decisions and we procrastinate, setting deadlines can inspire action. Use AI to make the most informed decisions, face your dilemmas, and build self-esteem. It's fascinating that over 74% of viewers regularly watch this channel but haven't subscribed yet. If my videos have ever helped you or made you smile, please hit that subscribe button. Your support can help me bring in more valuable guests and create even better content for you. Sound good? Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to open your abundance mindset and find the unexpected with prompting.